You might be good in this business. You might know how to take good pictures. You might know how to color grade. You might know how to retouch. You might know how to do everything that makes a good picture. But there is more to this business. I see a lot of photographers meeting celebrities and just snapping pictures with them so that they will go. Like, so that they can now go and post it in their social media, like post it on Instagram. So other people will see them and hype them that they have met this celebrity. But they forget that there is more to this business than those things that they are doing. Have you tried to understand why some of these photographers are looking big, are living big, driving luxurious cars? You didn't think about that part. All you thought about was the fact that you could meet them and take pictures. Have you asked yourself this question? Do you know how much Amazing Clef makes in a month? Do you know how much Felix Crown makes? Do you know how much Praise a photographer make? Do you know how much Big H make in a month? Do you know how much Ola makes in a month? You didn't think about that part. You think about the part where you want people to see you like a big boy. You know, see, if you know the truth about this business, there are some things you will not joke about. Now I understand why people pay hundreds of thousands for masterclass from these guys so they can get some of this knowledge from these guys. I went to meet Praise because there is a lot about Praise that I like. His way of shooting, his way of attending to clients and everything. Now when I went to meet Praise, I had the opportunity to do so many other things, but I preferred to sit down with Praise. And Praise was telling me a lot of things about the business. Things that if I never had that opportunity, I would not know. Praise has given me the opportunity to have a friendship with him. So instead of me asking for money and some other things, I asked for knowledge. Praise sat me down for over 2 hours. He was telling me a lot about the business, a lot of things that you see in this business. When I met Ola, the same thing. Ola had to drive me around Lagos. While we were driving, he was busy telling me things I need to know about this business. Stay there. They busy, they find one, they notice you because of say you snap with celebrity, make you dey broke. Guys are making millions. Guys are making real money in this business. You are there struggling to get to the next camera. The other guy is busy looking at the next camera and he's laughing because to get the camera is not a problem. And some of them even have opportunity to get these cameras from brands without paying because there are endorsement deals. You are there deceiving yourself because you feel like you are a fine boy, you know how to snap. Even your friends will be telling you that, bro, you can snap better than that guy now, and you're believing these things. Only tomorrow will tell, my brother. If you have the opportunity to meet some of these guys, I would advise you to interact, learn, ask for advice. Let them show you what they know about the business so that tomorrow you no go regret or you no go say this business no sweet. My name is Geetee. See you in my next video.